Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. Welcome to Chemistry with GS. Today I will teach you what is chemistry and what are the branches of chemistry. This is the first topic of grade 9 chemistry federal board, right? So what is chemistry? Let's proceed, right? So what is chemistry? What are the branches of chemistry? Explain it. So first of all, I will explain what is chemistry. So chemistry is defined as the branch of science which deals with the composition, structure, properties of matter, the changes occurring in matter, and the laws and principles under which these changes occur is called chemistry. Right? So in this we discuss the composition of matter, structure of matter, properties of matter, right? The changes occurring in matter. So for that we need to apply some laws and principles. So all these things we discuss in chemistry. Now comes towards what are the branches of chemistry and explain it. The first one is physical chemistry. So physical chemistry deals with laws and theories to understand the structure, physical properties and changes of matter is called physical chemistry. So in physical chemistry we study the structure and physical properties and changes of matter in physical chemistry. So we bring some changes of matter, like if you freeze water so it converts into ice, if you heat water it converts into liquid, and so on. So liquid is an intermediate phase between solid and liquid, so we can change one state of matter into another. So all these things we discuss in physical chemistry. Now comes to us organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, we study hydrocarbons and their derivatives. So we will discuss in higher classes what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means compounds of carbon and hydrogen only, right? And what we obtain from hydrocarbons, that is known as derivatives. Now comes towards number 3, inorganic chemistry, and this all elements and their compounds except hydrocarbons and their derivatives. So we study all elements and their compounds except hydrocarbons and their derivatives, because hydrocarbons and their derivatives we study in organic chemistry. Now comes towards analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry deals with the qualitative and quantitative analysis of matter. Qualitative means how much it is pure. Quantity, how much each substance is available in the given substance. So analytical chemistry deals with the qualitative and quantitative analysis of matter. Now comes towards number 5, biochemistry. Deals with the synthesis. Synthesis means preparation and their decomposition of compounds. So here compounds are prepared, means or making, and they are broken down, that is known as decomposition. So biochemistry deals with synthesis and their decomposition of compounds, and their reactions take place in living organisms. So those reactions which are taking place in living organisms means plants and animals, we study in biochemistry. Nuclear chemistry deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei due to emission or absorption of radiation. So here radiation can be released. Emission means release. Absorption means it can gain radiation. So called nuclear chemistry. So deals with changes that occur in atomic nuclei. Nuclei is the plural of nucleus. So here it deals with changes that occur in atomic nuclei due to emission or absorption of radiations, called nuclear chemistry. The 7th is industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry deals with the methods and use of technology in the large-scale production of useful products, means all the products which are producing in the industries in huge amounts. So the methods and technology used for the production of those useful products, we study all these things in industrial chemistry. Now, the last one is environmental chemistry. So, environmental chemistry deals with the chemicals and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effect on human beings, animals, and plants. So, all these things we discuss in environmental chemistry. Toxic means which are harmful, and here adverse effects means which have bad, which are harmful effects. Adverse means harmful effects on human beings, animals, and plants. So these were the branches of chemistry. So let's, what is chemistry? What are the branches of chemistry? So physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, right? Biochemistry, nuclear chemistry, industrial chemistry, and environmental chemistry. Now come towards differentiate between a compound and a mixture. So first of all, I will define what is a compound and then what is a mixture, right? Then mixture has two types, right? So compound is formed by chemical combination of two or more elements. So when two or more elements, so they will make a bond, they will chemically combine, so a compound is formed. So compounds, they are pure form of matter. It is not impure, they are pure form of matter. Number three, they have fixed melting and boiling points, means they have sharp melting and boiling points. Number four, they have different properties from their constituent elements, means compounds have different properties from the elements from which these are formed. Number five, they have homogeneous composition. Homogeneous means the components are uniform throughout the compound, means the composition is constant, like water, so water will be water throughout the world. Number six, they have fixed ratio mass in their constituent elements, like 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O, right? So if we make 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen, so it gives us 2 moles of water. So these were the main some points of a compound. Next is number 7, they have strong chemical bonds, means compounds will make bonds, right? So they will have bonds. So they have strong chemical bonds among the atoms. Number 8, the components of compounds can be separated by suitable chemical methods. So if you want to separate, let's say in water, hydrogen from oxygen, so you have to apply chemical process, chemical methods, not physical, right? Number 9, they are represented by the chemical formula. Compound will have chemical formulas like water has H2O, sodium chloride has NaCl, carbon dioxide is CO2. Now comes towards mixture. So these are the some points of mixture, right? So mixture is formed by the physical combination of two or more substances. So compounds are the combination of chemical combination, but mixtures are physical combination. We physically combine two or more elements, right? Number 2, they have impure form of matter. So these are impure form, right? Number 3, they have variable melting and boiling points. They have variable and melting boiling points. Let's say while compounds have fixed melting and boiling points. Number 4, they do not have different properties from their constituent elements. Means the mixture which is formed from the elements will have the same properties. They do not change the properties. It means the properties of the mixture are not different from the properties of the constituents from which they are formed. Number 5, they have homogeneous or heterogeneous composition. Number 5 means they may have homogeneous, so mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Number 6, they do not have fixed ratio by mass. You can mix the constituents components by any amount, by any ratio. Number 7, they are weak attractive forces. They have weak attractive forces among the they are weak attractive forces among the components of mixture. Number 8, the components of the mixture can be separated by physical methods, right? Number 9, they do not have any chemical formulae. Like examples, air has no chemical formula. Sugar in water. So it has no chemical. Sugar has, but sugar in water has no chemical formula. Mud in water has no chemical formula. Oil in water. So this is a mixture. These are the mixtures. So please subscribe my channel that you receive update for the next video, chemistry with GS, and please subscribe my channel that you receive update for the next coming video. And this is important topic. Please memorize this one. If you have any problem, please give me comments and I will give you the answer. Right? Take care. Allah Hafiz.